Good morning, students. This is a revision sheet for class 9th for the subject of physics and is being submitted to you on 1st February 2021. Students, today we will be doing revision of numericals based on lens formula. So today we will be doing some extra numericals to clear your concept of lens formula. So let us do first numerical. According to the statement of first numerical, it is given that a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from a wall. Now we will be going one by one. See, it is given that convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. The thing to be remembered is that convex lens is always having a positive focal length, while a concave lens is having a negative focal length. So students, since it is a convex lens, our first step is we will write focal length as plus 10 centimeter. Now, this convex lens of focal length 12 centimeter is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from a wall. So, if we draw a rough diagram of this statement, it is something like this, that you are having a convex lens which is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from the wall. So suppose we are having a wall and the distance between the convex lens and the wall is 12 centimeter. Now the question arises further, how far from the lens should an object be placed so as to form its real image on the wall? Now they are saying, where should the object be placed? In front of a lens, such that image is formed on the wall and the image formed is real. So the distance between the lens and the object will be taken as u, and the distance between the lens and the wall will be taken as v, because image is formed on the wall. It is a real, and if it is real, it is an inverted image. Children, according to the sign convention, we will take V to be positive, since it is on the right side of the optical center. So now let us continue further. Let us use the lens formula, that is 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. This is your lens formula. Now, after using lens formula, let us substitute the values of focal length and distance of the image from the lens, that is V. So 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by U. Students, don't take U to be negative in this case, since we have to find the value of u. Automatically your answer will come negative. So need not take u as negative right now. So students, 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by u. You can take 1 by u to the left side where it will become plus, and you can bring 1 by 10 to the right side where it will become minus 1 by 10. Now the LCM of 12 and 10 is 60, and I shall multiply the first term with 5 to get denominator as 60, and the second term should be multiplied by 6 to get denominator as 60. So in the numerator, now I'll be having 5 minus 6, which comes out to be minus 1 by 60. Children, this is 1 by u is minus 1 by 60. It means that u is equal to minus 60 centimeter. Since focal length and v were given in centimeter, thus the value of u will be written in terms of centimeter. Now further, students, we are supposed to find the value of u, which we have found as minus 60. The word minus, this sign negative, it implies that object is placed in front of lens. Object is placed in front of lens at a distance 60 centimeter. Negative means object is placed in front of lens. Positive means the image is placed behind the lens. The image is formed behind the lens. So here the object is placed in front of lens at a distance of 60 centimeter. Now the question is find the value of m, where m stands for linear magnification. So students, the formula of magnification is ratio of v and u. So the value of v was 12 while u is minus 60. The value of v was 12 plus 12 centimeter while u is minus 60 centimeter. So if you put the value of v and u, our answer comes minus 1.5. Students, you are not supposed to leave the answer in fraction. You have to find the answer at least up to 3 decimal places. So minus 1.5, 1 by 5 is written as minus 0.2. Now students, negative. Again, this negative sign in magnification represents that image is real and inverted. Negative means if magnification comes out to be negative, that means image is formed real and inverted. And see the numeric value, which is also known as magnitude. It is 0.2 and 0.2 is less than 1, which means that the formed image is diminished. If the value of magnification is less than 1, it represents a diminished image. So the magnification of this question comes out to be minus 0.2. Now let us do the second numerical. If an object of 7 centimeter height, so height of the object is 7 centimeter, and in numerical I can represent it with HO, where O is written in subscript. So height of object is 7 centimeter. It is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from a convex lens. Now object is placed at 12 centimeter. It means U is negative, minus 12 centimeter. Of focal length 8 centimeter. And it is a convex lens. So focal length will be taken as positive. F is equal to plus 8 centimeter. You have to be very careful with the sign conventions, because if you take wrong sign convention, your answer will be completely wrong. So students, when we are doing the numericals of lens, and if we draw a convex lens or even a concave lens, we take object in front of the lens. We are always taking object in front of lens. So that means our U will be always negative. Thus here also I have taken U as minus 12 centimeter. So continuing further, again we will use lens formula, that is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. And we have to find the position of the image. That means we are supposed to find the value of V. So we are just now putting the value of the various variables given to us. So we will be having 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12, and the LCM of 8 and 12 will be 24, such that the numerator will come 3 and 2 for the respective two given terms. So 1 by V will be equal to 1 upon 24, and hence V is equal to 24 centimeter. Students, continuing further, they are also asking for nature and height of the image. For finding nature of the image, we are supposed to find magnification. And magnification is calculated as the ratio of V is to U. So that is 24 upon minus 12, which comes out to be minus 2. Now again children, there is a sign of negative. Negative means a real image is formed. And whenever the image is real, it is always inverted, as we have done in class 8th also. So negative means real and inverted image is formed. While the numeric value, that is 2, and this numeric value represents the size of the image. Now 2 is greater than 1. So what does it mean? It means that image is magnified, or you can say image is enlarged as compared to the object. So this is the nature of the image. Image formed is real, it is inverted, and it is magnified. So nature of the image is real, inverted, and magnified. Now the last part of the question was also find the height of the image. Students, we are having two formulas for magnification. One is which we have already used, that is V upon U. And there is one more formula which is magnification means height of image. I stands for image divided by height of the object. And now we have to find height of image. So we will use the second formula, that is magnification is equal to height of image divided by height of object. So students, continuing further, magnification is height of image divided by height of object. So what will be height of image? So we will use magnification is equal to height of image divided by height of object. And height of image will be equal to magnification multiplied by height of object. Students, the value of magnification we have already calculated as -2, while height of object was given to be 7 centimeter. So the height of image will be -14, or we will not be writing negative since height cannot be negative. So I'll be writing it as +14 centimeter. Height of image is 14 centimeter. What does this negative sign implies? This negative sign means that the image formed is inverted and real. Negative means the image is real and inverted and is of size 14 centimeter. So students, there is one question for you, question number 3. You have to do this question in your physics notebook and see whether you are able to get the answer as focal length 3 centimeter and magnification as -3. So you check the answer. The key part of the question is, here I have written a converging lens. Students, converging also means convex lens. So this question is also of convex lens. So you try this question number 3 yourself. Coming to question number 4. Determine how far an object must be placed in front of a converging lens, that is convex lens, of focal length 10 centimeter in order to produce an erect image. Erect means virtual image of linear magnification 4. So students, since it is a converging lens, so focal length will be taken positive. Very good. And the image is a virtual image. So we will take magnification as +4. Children, if instead of erect, they would have written inverted, the same question would have been different and you would have taken magnification as -4 then, if it was a real or inverted image. So let us continue here. First of all, we are not provided with value of V and U. So I cannot directly use lens formula. But I have been given the value of magnification. So my first step is I'll use the formula m is equal to v by u, and then I'll put m as 4. 4 is equal to v by u, or you can say 4 times u is equal to v. So now let us substitute in our length formula. We can put the value of v as 4u. So 1 by v minus 1 by u can be written as 1 by 4u minus 1 by u is equal to 1 upon f. Now let us take the LCM here. The LCM of 4u and u will be 4u only. Don't write u square. It is 4u. Since u is common, it will come once. And now the first term will be multiplied with 1 only, while the second term needs to be multiplied by 4 to get the denominator as 4u. So we will be having 1 minus 4 divided by 4u. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So 1 by f. Instead of f, I'll write down 10 centimeter. So from here, let us find the value of u. It comes out to be minus 7.5 centimeter. So what does it mean? It means that object is placed at a distance of 7.5 centimeter in front of convex lens or converging lens. So students, the object is placed in front of a converging lens at a distance of 7.5 centimeter. So these all questions were based on convex lens. Now we will be starting the numericals for concave lens. So our fifth numerical is, if an object is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter from a concave lens, that means u will be taken as minus 50. An object is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter from a concave lens. So if you are having a concave lens, the object is placed at 50 centimeter or focal length 20 centimeter. Now focal length is 20. So I can write down minus 20. Why minus? Why minus? Because it is a concave lens, and in concave lens focal length is to be taken negative. Very good. So now further let us use the lens formula, and 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So we have to find v from this situation, which will be calculated as 1 by minus 20 plus 1 by minus 50. So on simplifying, it will be getting minus 7 by 100, that is 1 by v. So what will be v? Minus 100 by 7, which is minus 14.28 centimeter. So the value of v is minus 14.28 centimeter. This was the value of v. Now students, we are supposed to find the value of magnification also. So magnification is V divided by U, that is V was minus 100 by 7 and U was minus 50. So if you calculate this, it is 2 by 7 since negative and negative cancel out, and the answer is approximately 0.286. Now students, the answer is coming positive. What does it mean? It means that the image is virtual and erect since it is positive. While the numeric value 0.286, it is less than 1, which means that image formed is diminished as compared to the height of object. Now in this question, they are asking about height of image. The question was find position, which we have calculated, nature, that also we have calculated, and the third thing is height of the image. But we are not provided with height of object. So how to write down? We will use the formula magnification is equal to height of image divided by height of object, and the value of magnification was 2 divided by 7. So I'm writing magnification as 2 by 7. So let us do cross multiplication, or you can take height of object on the right side. So your answer comes height of image is equal to 2 by 7 of height of object. So what does it mean? It means that height of image is equal to 2/7. Seventh means divided by 7. So height of image is 2/7 of height of object. Now students, there are further few questions for you, and I have given some questions from question number 6 to question number 10. These all questions you have to practice in your physics notebook and try to get the correct answers. And the solution of these numericals will be given to you on 4th February 2021. That is on coming Thursday. Thank you, students.